Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you used to. Firstly, I will explain the use of used to and its structure. And then I will show you some examples so that you can better understand. Finally, I will give you some exercises to do so that you can practice and check how much you have learned from this lesson. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now I'm gonna explain the use of used to. Grammatically, used to is followed by an infinitive verb, and this structure is used for past habit or no longer the case. This structure is not used for single action or when we say the time or period, including last month, last year, for 2 months, for 2 years, etc. The negative form of used to is did plus not plus used to and infinitive verb. And the question form is did plus subject plus used to and infinitive verb. Remember that in negative and question form, used to is spelled as U-S-E and T-O. So it means that letter D at the end of used to is taken off. Remember that this structure is more common in spoken than written language. Next, I'll give you some examples so that you can better understand. Here are some examples regarding used to. My grandfather used to have black hair, but now it is gray. In this sentence, my grandfather had black hair sometime in the past, but now his hair is no longer black, it is now gray. Another example is, my father used to play football, but now he is too old to play. In this sentence, it means that my father played football in the past for some time, or my father played football in the past many times. But now, he no longer plays the football. He stopped playing. I never used to like football, but now I enjoy it so much. So in the past, I disliked football, but now I like it. I did not used to smoke, but now I smoke about 20s a day. So in the past, I did not smoke, but now I do 20s a day. This is the end of lesson. And next part, I will give you some exercises to do. In this part, you're gonna practice used to. And what you have to do is choose a correct option for each sentence. From sentence number 1 to sentence number 10. Now, let's start. Sentence 1. The student used to work, or the student worked hard on the research project last month. So in this sentence, you can see the word last month. It is the specific time. We do not use used to work, but we use work. We use past simple, not used to. Sentence 2. Richard didn't used to smoke, or Richard didn't smoke, but now he does about 20 a day. So you choose between didn't used to smoke and did not smoke. And the correct answer is didn't used to smoke, because this sentence talks about the past habit of Richard, which he did not smoke in the past, but now he does about 20 a day. So we do not use past simple. Sentence number 3. My father used to work, or my father worked as a policeman for 5 years. The answer is, my father worked as a policeman for 5 years. We use past simple because this sentence says about the period of time. Sentence number 4. Did you used to, or did you used to visit Angkor Temple? So choose between did you used to and did you used to. The first used to is spelled without D, and the second used to is spelled with D. So the answer is the first one. Did you used to? So in question form, used to does not take D. Sentence number 5. In general, family used to be larger than they are nowadays, or family will be larger than they are nowadays. The correct answer is used to be. Yeah, we do not say will be. Yeah. Sentence number 6. Last year we used to live or lived in London, but now we live in New York. The correct answer is used to live, not live, not past simple. We use used to in this sentence because it is about past habit. So the activity in the past happened more than one time, and now we live in New York, so activity already finished. Number 7, we used to and we used to play football a lot. So first used to is spelled with D and second used to spelled without D. And the correct answer is used to spelled with D because it is positive form. So used to take D. Sentence number 8. My son didn't used to and my son didn't used to watch screen, but now he does 2 hours a day. The correct answer is my son didn't used to watch screen, but now he does 2 hours a day. So used to spell without D because it is in question form. Sentence number 9. My son didn't watch and my son didn't used to watch screen last night. In this sentence it say the time, last night. So we use past simple but not used to. So the correct answer is didn't watch. The last one, sentence number 10. Our English teacher didn't used to teach or didn't teach grammar. So the correct answer is didn't used to teach grammar. We talk about the past habit of the teacher, but not a past simple because it did not say the time. Right, so that's all for now, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.